What's up, YouTube friends? This is going to be another quick video on our Git integration for Tiny File Manager. In the previous couple episodes, we got a README going here on the bottom with Git status, and then when you would click into files, it would do, if there were changes, a Git status and Git diff as well. One of the things that we didn't do in the last video that I want to do now is also do a git diff for parts of the file that have changed and are staged, as well as what's being different in the working directory. Right now, we just have it doing the working directory. So let's get started with that. We're going to scroll down and modify our git diff function. And we're going to add, so we'll call this one wdiff for working directory diff. And that line can stay largely the same. And then we're going to do another one for sdiff for staged. And we'll throw in the double dash staged right here. And then we're just going to check if $wdiff does not equal null. Then we're going to do this block of code here that we're already doing. And we're going to change the H3 just a little bit to reflect which diff this is. We'll call this one working directory. And of course, we got to update this variable here with a wdiff. And we're just going to duplicate this block for the staged diff as well. Sdiff, come down here and change working directory to staged. And also this variable right here, sdiff, save. Okay, so that's not going to do anything quite yet. We do got to come back up to the top where we use this function and modify that a little bit, because right now it's doing its own check where it's saying if git status equals modified. Well, I want to do it if it's also modified and or staged. So it'll do either or and or both. Okay, yeah, whatever. You know what I mean. You know what I'm saying. So basically, if it's not clean, we're going to do both now. And because that function show git diff does its own checking, we don't need to do a check anymore. So file path, and then we'll just get rid of this block right here. And now that should work. So save. Let's go back to our Tiny File Manager directory, and we'll see right now that it is lit up red. Git diff working directory. And we know that all we have to do to get that in the staging area is git add files.php. And let's refresh this page, and now you can see that it moved to get staged, and the diff is now giving you the diff for the staged. So let's go ahead and make another small change just for fun. We'll just do a comment saying small change just for fun. Save, come back, and it is still lit up red. It says git status modified, but we can see in the git status that it's modified and staged. And we have two diffs now. We have our git diff in the working directory and our git diff staged. Cool. Well, that's it. I'm going to commit this and upload it to the GitHub, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.